Hi everyone. Happy New Year's to my niece's custom family. Sorry it took me so long to drop a video, but I had so much stuff that I had to do and so much orders I had to get out. But I'm back with brand new videos in mind. I hope everyone had a safe and blessed Christmas and a New Year's. Well, today we are going to be doing a sublimate, a canvas shoulder bag for Nashville Wholesale Studios. But before we begin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Okay, since you did that, I already have my template out for my bag. They have bags from Nashville Wholesale Studios. They have the over-the-shoulder canvas bags. They have small, medium, and large. I'm going to be doing the small, and their measurements are 7 by 8.5, but I'm going to change them to 7.5 by 9 so I can have that overage because I don't want the be too short. Then you have a lot of that white showing. Um, As you can see, I already have my template. I already have my design right here. And this is my name that I'm going to put on there, Jamaya. And I'm going to change her font. Change her font to that. But it's not going to be that color. Then I think I'm going to do a offset of black. Bring it down some. Bring it down a little bit more. Okay, that's perfect. I did it at 55. So I'm going to go ahead and change that outline to black. Okay, I'm going to group everything together. Put it right here. I was thinking about putting this little saying on there, but I think it's going to be too much. So I'm just going to leave that out, and I'm just going to put her name with the stars. Oh, and put that back. That's all I'm going to do. I'm just put her name with that background. Okay. And I'm not gonna put that on there. That'll be just too much. Okay. Once we have our design already finished, I'm gonna go ahead and print it out. You have to go to your preference. Make sure that everything is right. I think I'm gonna change this paper size to, let me see if I can find it. I'm gonna just have to just change it from right here. Change it to 8.3 and 11.7. Hit OK. Then I'm going to make sure that it's mirrored. Make sure I change it to landscape, because I'm doing that, lately. Messing up a lot of paper. I'm going to go ahead and print that out. And I'll be back and I'm going to show you how to press it. Okay, y'all. Before I go ahead and show y'all how to press it on the canvas bag, I'm showing you this right here because this is what my husband bought me for Christmas. He bought me a new heat press. This is a 24 by 16 heat press. Then he said that he has a bigger one on his way, but it's a surprise. It's my Valentine's Day present. I have the best husband in the whole wide world, y'all. I love him to death. But that's what I wanted to show y'all. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to press this canvas bag. Okay, everyone, this is the bag that I was talking about. It's the over-the-shoulder canvas bag, and what it is, it comes with this removable flap right here. This is what you're going to be sublimating on, this right here, and you just fasten them on the bag like this. They have these fasteners like that, and you just fasten them on there. And that's what it is. Well, I think I did it wrong. So let's try this again. You have to bend this back. Bend it back like this. Then fasten them on here. Woo. Bend it back, and then it folds over, and that's why our image is going to be right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we can go ahead and snap them off. And we got our image right here. We're going to fold this piece right here back. And we're going to put our image on there just like that. But what I'm going to do, make sure that I got it on there good. Oh, and what you need, you're going to need your heat tape also. I'm going to go ahead and tape that down so it won't move. Okay. Your butcher paper. Yes, I am using my old heat press. Because it's such a small purse, I don't need to use the big one. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set it on here. And you're going to press it for 60 seconds at 400 degrees. Okay? Seconds. Okay. We're going to go ahead and remove it. Go ahead and take it off. set it aside, and that's how it looks. I know I got some white showing down here, but it looks good. I'm trying to avoid that, but I think it came out real good. I really do. I'm gonna go ahead and fasten it back on the purse. And there you go. An over-the-shoulder purse, a small one for a child. Get my thumbnail. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. In my next video, we are going to take this polyester cloth right here, and we're going to do a canvas portrait on this portrait right here I got from Michaels, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, that like button, that like button. I need to slow down. The like button, and share my videos with everybody you know. I mean, I'm just doing things simple and easy so everybody can get it. And I'm gonna also do a video on how to get into sublimation and how you can start your own business by doing these things as well. Okay, thank you, and I hope you have a nice day. Remember, God loves you and I love you too. Bye.
Paint the sky your favorite color.